How to fix Hotmail login blocked account error. If you're facing a blocked account error on Hotmail whenever you're trying to sign into your Hotmail account using the Outlook app or the hotmail.com domain. So let's say you go to the sign in button, and as soon as you sign in, you're seeing login blocked. But if the login is not blocked, you're seeing account blocked for any of the matter. The first thing to check is you're not using any VPN, proxy settings or custom DNS settings that is interfering with your Wi-Fi network. So make sure to disable those. Second of all, use the same device, same browser with the same network that you use your Outlook account quite often with, and see if that helps you. You can try to log in. If you forgot your password, you can click on the forgot password button. Now, even after all this, your login is still getting blocked. Then you can simply open your browser and type in Hotmail login blocked recovery. When you do that, you can see a profile that says unblock my outlook.com account. So click on this unblock my outlook.com account link. And over here, if you can't unlock by entering the code, you can go ahead and then try to contact the customer support. So see if that helps you as well. So hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.